welcome to the unboxing of Story of Seasons, Pioneers of Olive Town Premium Edition. So for those of you who are not aware, Story of Seasons is the original Harvest Moon rebranded as Story of Seasons due to legal reasons and is not associated with the new Natsume Harvest Moon games. So in this collector's edition, we get the Pièce de Résistance, Buffy the Buffalo. Whee! This is the only reason, let's be honest, why anyone orders the Premier Edition, because you want the buffalo. We also have this handy, this is a buffalo pamphlet that came with the buffalo, but we don't really care about that. We just want the buffalo. And in case you were wondering if you can milk the buffalo, yes, you can. We have an udder on the bottom. Her cute little buffalo tail, do 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 do. Her cute little buffalo horn, do 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 do. Her cute little buffalo ears. Oh, buffalo! So here is the premium edition. This is slightly less interesting than Buffy the Buffalo. So we have this adorable artwork of all the Bachelor and Bachelorettes in chibi form, as well as the main characters here, and a nice little 25th anniversary in the corner. The sides have our protagonists again. Red on the top. Same artwork on the other side. Nothing on the bottom. And whoa, look at all the information on the back. Show you some of the screenshots here. And again, we have our protagonists and Bachelor and Bachelorettes in non-chibi form. And let's see what's inside. Okay, so in addition to the buffalo, we also have this cloth map and the game. So this, again, is just the same retail packaging you would get normally in the store. Similar kind of artwork on the bottom as we saw in the main thing, and the standard Switch red side. But when we open it up, oh, look, we actually get a little instruction booklet. Isn't that fun? We don't get those too often anymore. So here is some nice tree artwork and the actual game cartridge there. And then we have a cute little Olive Town tourist guide. So we can take a quick flip through here. It looks like it's focusing on the places you can go and the people you can meet. So let's take a quick flip through here to see what we have. So we have the Olive Town map. And then we have the history. Then we have Olive Hall, Olive Museum, food and lodging, yum yum. Our big thumbs are in the way. Breathtaking building. Seaside sights. It's a lot to do in Olive Town. More seaside sights, followed by the great outdoors. Shopping! More shopping! Even more shopping! Olive Town is growing! Yay! Warranty. Oh, and then we have if you want to take some notes yourself. And then, yay! The cute artwork at the back. Thank you for visiting. So that's actually really cute. I like that they included that. And it just tucks nicely into here. Yay! Okay, and then the last thing we have here is a nice fabric map. Oh, actually, it's not a map. It's just a fabric poster. So it's the same picture that we've seen a few times now. So that is everything that comes in the Story of Seasons, Pioneers of Olive Town Premium Edition. I hope you enjoyed seeing Buffy the Buffalo in all her glory and the other random things that it comes with. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave a comment or a like. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe. Please.